Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over a way to check to see if two samples are identical. First, we can look at the n or number of observations in a sample. We can left click and hold this down, the left clicker, and then down in Excel, down here, count as 11. Or if we want to document it, go to FX and count is the function. And left click, hold it down, and click OK. We can see the answer there and there. And then average. Excel uses the word average for mean. Click OK, same deal. We can see it there. If you get a bunch of decimal places, we don't need all those decimal places. You can right click, format cells, go to number, and then either 1 or 2 is okay. And standard deviation, STDEV. If you don't see it in the list, type that in up here. I clicked on average, didn't I? So we'll cancel that. And there it is. We see it there. Just to double check it. Okay, and we can highlight the stats there, get on the lower right hand corner of the highlight of the outline where it's a skinny plus sign. There it's not so skinny, just barely move it. Left click, hold it down and drag it over, and it will calculate the second sample. And so far they look identical. 11, n of 11 in both. We can see that they have equal number of observations. Average is the same, and so is the standard deviation. Let's go a step further. This is more accurate, and type in equals, and we'll subtract b from a. It could be a from b, either way. Minus sign, and then click on the other observation and hit enter, and then drag that down. And we can see there's no difference, so we know that these two samples are identical. So this is better than just going by this. This looks convincing, doesn't it? But let's use these numbers. Let's change these numbers just a little bit. We'll change the 10 to 9. And it's pretty similar still for standard deviation, identical for those. Let's change that to 26, 11, 21, slight difference there. Let's change that to 16 instead of 15, and still a slight difference here and now here, and then we'll change that one to 36. So with those different numbers, we can see there's a difference between the two samples for these rows. And the count is the same, average is the same, and standard deviation is the same. So all three are identical here as far as the descriptive stats. Yet the individual observations we can see are different. And that concludes this presentation. And thank you for watching.